welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I am reviewing the Bajaj Pulsar 150 BS4 variant. So it comes with a twin spark plug, which is the DTSI technology, which we call it dual twin spark ignition. In front it comes with a halogen AHU setup and a twin pilot lamp setup. So coming to its back portion, in there you get a pretty well designed LED tail light setup and the turn bulb type turn signals, and coming to its left side you get the well designed body graphics has been used there, which increases the looks of the bike. So coming again to its front portion, you got the 31 telescopic fog suspension, which absorb the jerk so easily, and you also get the radial alloy type tires. And coming to its front brakes, here you got the front 260 disc brakes, and in the rear portion you got the twin shock absorbers and 130 drum brakes. Not disc brake are used here. So right now we are going uphill to check its torque and the power delivery. So we are sitting 3% in this bike, having average weight of 60 kgs each. So the power delivery of this bike is so good. After 6000 rpm, the torque kicks you and feels like something is pulling you. So talking about its engine, as it is a BS4 variant, it comes with a single cylinder 4-stroke engine which generates 14 bhp of power at 8000 rpm and 13.4 Nm of torque at 6000 rpm. As in BS6 variant you have seen that the power is same, but the torque is slightly decreased. It is the 13.25 Nm of torque at 6500 rpm, and the weight of bike is also increased in BS6 variant. As in BS4 variant it is 144 kg, but in BS6 variant it is 148 kg. So now testing the acceleration of the bike. So putting it in first gear. Now here we stop the bike. So now driving the bike. This bike is having a 15 liter of fuel tank and gives you the mileage of around 65 kmpl. So it is a carbureted engine having 5-speed gearbox which shifts so easily, no pause on shifting. So now again pulling the bike to its rear limit. So here we go. get a decent amount of ground clearance of 165 mm. The lean angle is good for of the bike for the cities as well as the plain area, but not good for the hill area. As you lean too much, it touches down somewhere. So the main changes from PS4 and variant and the PS3 variant was the power is decreased in the PS4 variant, and the torque is slightly increased in the PS4 variant. But also an additional feature is added, automatic headline mount features, and the body graphics is also added. Now talking about the BS4 variant and the BS6 variant is in the BS6 variant you get nothing else than the FI system, but in the BS4 variant you get the carburetor system, and the power is same in both BS4 and BS6, but the torque is slightly decreased in the BS6 variant, as BS6 gives you 13.25 Newton meter of torque, whereas the BS4 gives you 13.4 Newton meter of torque. So hope you enjoyed the video. Till then, bye bye. See you in the next videos.